Hey there. Closing a deal is one thing. Knowing what you actually take home after the broker split, transaction fees, and tax is another. This tracker runs your whole agent business and does that math for you. Let me walk you through it. Setup is your one-time configuration. Your commission and broker split percentages, plus the drop-down lists for lead sources and pipeline stages that the rest of the workbook uses. The lead CRM is your contact database. Every lead with its source, status, stage, whether they're a buyer or seller, when you last spoke, and when to follow up, with days to follow up calculated so nothing goes cold. The deal pipeline is the money tab. Client, property, sale price, and commission percentage give you gross commission. Then it applies your broker split, subtracts the transaction fee, sets aside tax, and shows your actual take-home. That's the number most agents never see until it lands. The closing calendar tracks every deadline on a live deal: contract date, inspection due, appraisal due, loan commitment, final walkthrough, and closing date, with days to close and a status. Expenses and mileage covers your deductions, category, description, vendor, amount, and miles driven with the mileage deduction worked out, plus a spend by category summary. The listing inventory tracks your side of the market: list date, list price, beds, baths, square feet, price per square foot, days on market and showings, and the dashboard puts your annual gross commission income goal against close net commission year to date, so you always know where you stand. That's the real estate agent CRM and commission tracker, Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.